just quickly recall what are the things we have done. So there was a question, Mumbai to Goa, you have to go. The condition was if you are going by air, then you have to come back by other way. That is either by road or sea, something like that. Okay. So we see this can be done in 6 ways. And by fundamental theorem of multiplication that says that if a certain things can be done in m ways and done it in m ways, a second thing can be done in n ways, then the total number of ways in which two things can be, so both the work should be done. That's why that will be in m cross n. So in the earlier example from Mumbai to Goa, he has 3 ways, and for returning he has 2 ways. So by fundamental theorem of multiplication it will be 6 ways. And we give some more example. There was a homework, let me talk about that. Yeah, this is the homework. Yeah, I think we had done it or what. Oh, oh great. Okay, so let me talk next fundamental theorem of, what is this? Yeah, the first one you learned about fundamental theorem of multiplication. The second one is which we will be using later on, mostly अभी उसका example नहीं मिलेगा तुमको. वहाँ पे क्या बोला था मैंने, प्रिंसिपल बोला था कि थ्योरम, मोस्टली प्रिंसिपल होना चाहिए. थ्योरम ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन, इट्स ओके. What is the meaning of this? Same thing, a certain work has two possibility. That is, either it can be done in m ways or in n ways. Then total number of ways in which that work is completed that will be m plus n. So in the earlier case I was talking about two work, correct? But in this case I am talking about only one work, and I am having m possibility and n possibility, like that, correct? So it will be just addition. So you just need to observe, if there is or, correct, then it will be addition. If there is and, then there will be multiplication. That's it. Okay, whenever you see there is, and I will be doing some more problems on that. Whenever there is choices, when you are having choices, then it will be addition. But when you are having compulsion, that is, screen is not visible. Can you see the screen, everyone? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So shall we do some more problems based on this? Okay. Have I done? Sorry. I think, yeah. First wall can be put to key, that was done. I think this was the homework. Yeah, I think this was the homework. Do you see that? In how many different number of four digit? Okay, we had done or what? Okay. I think it got deleted or what. Okay, no problem. Okay, so five prizes to be given to five boys. Correct? Did you try that? Are you able to complete that? What will be the answer of first one? So there are five prizes and five people. One, two, three, four, five. Correct? And in the first condition, they are saying each boy is eligible for more than one prizes. Correct? So what is the possibility for first boy? He can get all the five prizes. So this can be done in five ways. Same for the second boy. This is also eligible for five. And what will be their addition or multiplication? When there is addition there, when there is option, but this is not option, he should also get that. He is different from him. Correct? So there will be multiplication. Same goes for all the boys, all the five people. So answer will be 5 raised to 5. Good. Okay. What about second case? In second case, it was, what was the condition? Each boy is eligible for only one prize. So for the first boy, how many prizes are there? There are five choices. We have given one to him. For the second boy, how many is remaining now? Four. Okay. Next, three. Next, it will be two and next one. What will be answer? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Oh, good. Okay, I think there is someone who is saying there is some problem. Is there any problem with the screen or something? There is someone who is sending that. Can you? Yeah, okay. So let me give you one more question and ask you the same thing. Okay. Mm, how many, let me say, how many four digit numbers can be formed by using digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, such that no digit is more than once. That is, repetition is not allowed. Such that, let me give two cases, A and B. That is, repetition is allowed. Okay, there are two cases. One is repetition is allowed and one is repetition is not allowed. Okay. And here is not allowed. Digits repetition. Can you try this? So what is the possibility? You have to make a four digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just I will give you 1 minute, just try it, and once you are done then you can tell it to me. First one is 4 raised to 7. I don't think so. Anyone else? 7 raised to 4. Okay. Anyone else? Very nice, very nice. Thank you so much. I was expecting this answer with someone. So in the first one, see, you want to make it four digit number. If in the first one it is 0, then will it be a four digit number? That is 0, another you can say 1, 2, 3. This is a three digit number. Do you see? This is not a four digit number. So in the first one, we are not allowed to put 0. Correct? So for for the first one, how many choices are there? There are only six choices. Correct. What about in the second case? There zero is allowed or anything can be. Seven. Same here. Seven. Because repetition is allowed. You can put anything here. Here also seven. So what will be your answer? This will be six into seven into seven into. Is it clear, everyone? Very nice. For the first one, we are not allowed to put zero here. So there are only six choices for this. Why I am multiplying this whole thing? Because after putting one number, I have to go to the next number. There is no option. There is a compulsion. Then I have to fill all the digits. Okay, that's why I'm multiplying here. So can you talk about second? If repetition is not allowed for the first one, six. What about this? Six. Do you agree, everyone? One number is already given out of seven people, correct? So we are remaining only with six people. So here for this guy, we are having six choices. What about this? Five. What about this? Four. So answer will be six into six into five into four. Is that clear, everyone? Good. So are you able to solve this type of question now? Good. Let me ask you one more question, then we will go ahead with the next topic. Maybe the last question. In how many different ways can one try to open a lock having three rings if each ring contains numbers 0 to 9? Okay. Next part, if the lock opens by adjusting a particular number, then how many unsuccessful attempt to open the lock are possible? Question mark. Okay. Can you try? Yeah, yeah. 10 raised to 3 minus 1. Uh, for which one? For the first part or the first second part? There are two parts in the question. Do you see that? The first part and this is okay. Okay. So just let me give some time to others. Others, what do you think? Whether she is right or wrong? Just think about it. If you can, then just tell yes or no. If you agree, then say yes. You just read the question carefully, you will get. So there are lock having three rings. That is first ring, second, and third. Correct? So for the first ring, for each of the ring we are having number as 0 to 9. Do you see that? 0 to 9 means what? How many numbers? We are having 10 numbers. Perfect. Correct. And in this case there is no point of repetition or non-repetition, because you see that it will repeat, it can be repeated. There is no point of saying that no repetition allowed, something like that. Do you see? The numbers can be 0 0 0 also, 0 1 1 also, like that. This is something like a suitcase is having this lock. So how many attempt you have to do to reach to the successful attainment, like that? So can you tell me the answer of first one? In how many different ways can one try to open a lock? Perfect. So for the first people we are having 10. Same for this guy also. After completing this we are going to the next part. That's why it is multiplication. This will be again 10, and for this also it will be again 10. So it will be 10 cube. Do you see everyone? Is the first part clear? Okay, what about second? If the lock opens by adjusting a particular number, how many unsuccessful attempts to open the lock are possible? Why that minus 1 is there? Perfect, very good. Because successful attempt to open a lock is only one. Correct? So how many unsuccessful attempt will be there? It will be triple nine. So you are having triple nine unsuccessful attempts, and you are having only one successful attempt. That means suppose if you are getting the answer is 1 2 3 and you got the answer. So what was the unsuccessful? That means if you don't want to reach this answer 1 2 3, that is this is the password. So you have to try all the triple nine possibilities, and after getting that then you have to go to the next one. Then all triple nine it will be unsuccessful attempts. Is that clear? Ah, good. Actually, I want you all to be master of this type of question, because you will be getting some problems like this in the exam. Is it so? I think I should give one more question. Say there are four routes for traveling from city A to B, A to city B, which I think ऐसा एक क्वेश्चन किया है हम लोग ने शायद. मुंबई टू गोवा वाला किया था, करेक्ट. सो let me just complete this. In how many ways, how many different way can a person go from city A to city B? मुंबई को सिटी ए बोल दो, गोवा को सिटी बी, and like that you can do and return. If if there is a condition, if for returning he has two options, that is A and B. There are two conditions. A, Any of the roots can be taken. Any of the roots is taken. And the second one, B, the same root is taken. And one more, C, the same root is not taken. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute, just try, don't tell the answer, don't say the answer. You can write your answer in the chat box, writing by A, B and C, put the value of A, B and C. I'll give you 1 minute. Just try this question. From A to B there are 4 roots. You can write your answer in the chat box if you want. Everyone, are you able to do that? Just read the question carefully and you will get that we have done this type of questions. Hello, can you hear me? I can see some of the answer in the chat box. Hmm. Okay, so let me ask with someone. Hmm. Yeah, Rahul, Rahul Jagtap. Rahul, can you hear me? Yeah, can you answer the first part, A? Okay, can you explain how that is 16? From A to B. Perfect, very nice. So why there is multiplication? Why there is multiplication? Why did you multiply both the thing? Why not addition? Rahul, hello. Rahul, can you hear me? Why did you multiply the thing? Why not addition? A simple question I'm asking. Yeah, you can clearly say that after completing first work, then only I should go to the next work. Correct? Means both the work should be completed. That means this is fundamental theorem of multiplication. That is, if first work can be done in m ways, and after doing the first work, then I have to go to the second work. And second work is again doing in the m ways, that is 4 ways. Then we can done in total number of ways, it will be 4 into 4. That's it. Okay. For question number B, anyone? For question number B, now can you hear me? Hello. Hello, can you hear me? Tell me about second and third one, B and C. Yes, yes. Perfect. Very nice. Okay, why multiplication? You should answer that. Perfect. Very nice. Good. Good. Everyone, did you understand that? Good. So for the first going from city A to city B, you are having four choices, and for coming, you are having a condition that the same route is to be taken. That means same route. That means it should be four only. It should be one. So answer will be four into one. Get it? What about third one? If same route is not taken. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Everyone, did you understand? This was the same thing which we did for Mumbai to Goa wala things. Do you remember that? This was the same condition. For going back, you should not, while coming, you should not use the same thing, same route. Okay, good. So I'll be sending you some questions around uh, 5 to 6 questions for the assignment. You just have to solve. This type of question will be there, and you just solve, and you can attach that in the Google Classroom only. Okay, is that okay, everyone? This will be assignment one. 5 to 6 questions will be there, based on this only, addition and multiplication principle, correct? And what do you want the last date? Maybe I think next week, or you want more question? I think I should increase the number of question here. Maybe I will give 10 questions, and Monday is the last date. Is that okay, everyone? I'll be giving the question. It will be available in Google Classroom. All of you, I request you all of you to join Google Classroom for submitting that attendance. This assignment and everything that is important, and you must be aware that there is 40 marks for this internal part. So this assignment will be for your class participation. Where are you understanding the thing? Whatever I am taking, this is just beginning. So your question won't be that much difficult. Whatever we have done in our first and second lecture, the question will be based on that only. Is that okay? Yeah, good. Let me quickly ask you one more question, then we can stop. Is that okay? Yeah. So these type of question will be there. Yeah, tell me. Actually, I had sent it in the, I don't know, in the group. Whether are you in that group? I have sent already in the group. Maybe you just ask with some of the friend, or you just ask in the group only, or I will send it once again. Will that be fine? I'll send it. Yeah, yeah, sure. You can try that. Let me just give you one more question. Quickly, you just try to answer. How many natural numbers not exceeding 5432 can be formed with the digits with the digits 2345? There are four digits. You the question is how many natural number not exceeding 5432 5432 can be formed with these digits? Yes, I'll give you some time. You just think about this. Anyone, if you would like to answer this, you can consider this like this. You have to give the cases here. See, you have to use these four people, correct? That means you have to use that. You have to use all them. That is, you need to form a four-digit number, correct? Yeah, it should not exceed this number. Yeah, tell me. Anyone, if you would like to say something about this question or any idea you have, then you can say. Sorry, I think this is your last lecture, so I will be taking some of extra time. Will that be okay for you? Maybe 5 to 6 minutes more. Okay, good. Yeah. So, can you tell me anyone? Your number should be less than this 5432. Yeah, 192 ways. Okay, can you tell me how? Okay, okay, okay. No, but tell me one thing. If in the third place, if the number is 4, then Did you see that? Then I think in this question you can handle it like this. You just try to make a table, or let me make a table that is unit place, unit digit, and tenth, hundred, and thousand. Let us see possibilities. Is it okay? Let us see. Okay. Suppose you are taking in the thousand place. Suppose you are taking digits 4, 3, or 2. 4, 3, or 2. Correct? If your this place is either 4, 3, or 2, then in this any of the four number will work, because if it was 5 then there was a problem. Do you see that? If I am restricting this guy to either 4, 3, or 2, then any of four number will work here. Good, good. So here any four, any four number. Here also any four. Here also any four. Is that okay? So in the first case, how many? What are the? There are three numbers. There are 4, 4, 4. What is the answer for the first one? 3 into 4 cube for the first case. Yes. Is that okay? Good. So let me stop that. This was my first case, and case means what? There is you're having an option. That means this is my first case. If you are having option, I have already told you, then what you should put and, or that is addition. Do you see that? Fundamental theorem of addition states that if you are having an option for doing the same work, then you have to put and, that is plus. Then you have to put or, that is plus. Is that okay? Suppose in the second thing I am fixing this as 5. Suppose digit is 5. Okay. So what can be this to be? If you are saying this digit is 5, so this can be, yeah, or you, if you want like that, let us fix this 5 and let us fix this also 4. 4. Is that okay? So this is 5, this is 4. So what is possibility of this? Yeah, I think there should, that should be easy. That should be easy. This is 5, this is 4. What will be possibility for this? Will it be 3? Will it be 3? Yeah, yeah, tell me. Yeah, I am saying, suppose I am fixing the 100 digit as 5. This is fixed now. Okay. Now I am asking, let me just rub this thing. Now I am asking, what will be my 100th place? What are the possibilities for 100th place? Let me divide that also in two part actually. Let me say something like this. For digit 5, I am having two possibility. Digit 5, either it can have digits 2 or 3, that is digit 3 or 2, or digit 4. Let us think about 4 later on. Let us see if this is either 3 or 2. Then what can you say about these two people? This is not 4. Your number is 5432, but I am saying this value to be either 3 or 2. So what do you think? What is the possibility of these two numbers? Try to see once again. This guy is 5. This guy, there are only two possibilities. That is either 3 or 2. So if I put 3 here, then any of the 4 number can work here. Do you see? Why? Because the value is 5, 4. This is already bigger. I am putting it here 3 or 2. So I think any of the 4 will work. Do you agree? Good. Let me repeat it once again. I am fixing this 1000 places 5. So I am asking, suppose I am putting this digit as 3 or 2. Correct? So any of the 4 number can come. Why? Because your number is 5432. If this digit is 3, then that is already less than that. Okay? And in the last case, so what is the answer in this case? Digit 5, that is this can be done in one ways. And what about this? Two ways. 2 and 3, only two people are there. What is this? Yeah, can you tell me what is the answer for that, for the second case? This is first case is done. For the second one it will be 1 into 2 into 4 4 square. Is that okay? For this is 1. For this is, there are two choices. This is 2. For this is 4. This is also 4. So this is 4 into 4. What about third case? Can you quickly tell me? If 1000 digit is 5 and 100 digit is 4, that means this is 5 and this is 4. So what is possibility for this? If it is 5 or 4, so this is 3 2 na, so it should not go above 3, and also 3 also is not possible. So only digit is 2 possible. Do you see? And what about this? If you put 2 here, then if you put 2 here, then this will be, if you put 2 here, then this is 542. This was 543. So I think any number can be done here, any 4 digit, any of this, because this number is 542 and this is 5432. So this is 32 and this will be in the range of 20, that is 22, 23, 24, 25. So any 4 will work. Is that okay? So what will be answer for this 1, 1, 1? What is this? 4. So this is 1 into 1 into 1 into 4. Is that okay? Why am I adding all the thing? Can you tell me? Because this is the cases. Either this case or that case or that case. So final will be addition of all this thing. Now let me just revise everything once again. The question was, how many natural number not exceeding 5 cross 3 cross 3 cross 2, sorry, 5 4 3 2 can be formed with the digit this. Okay, so this, with these people you will have to form a 4 digit number. So I am taking the cases. Suppose in the first cases, if I am taking numbers either 4 3 or 2, if I am taking 4 3 or 2, so this can be any 4 number, any 4 number, any 4 number. In the second case, if I am fixing this as 5, so let me fix this as 3 or 2. So if I put 3 or 2, then this will be any 4, any 4. And in the third case, if I am fixing this 5 and fixing this as 4, so this has possibility, this is digit 2, correct? And this can be any 4. Let me add all this thing, I will get the final answer. Can you quickly add it and tell me the final answer? Just quickly add this thing. 228. Okay, anyone else? Okay, 229. Let me ask anyone else. I am not filling it. Let me see. 228 कितने हैं? 228. Hey, 384. Anyone else? Okay, there are two people with 228. 228. Everyone, do you agree? Good. That is 228 here we are having. Okay. See? Yes, everyone. Is that clear? But there is, I think, one possibility is they are they are saying not exceeding this value. Means this value can be taken, na? You should not exceed this value. This can be taken. So there will be one more possibility that this is 5, this is 4, this is 3, this is 2. Do you see that? Why this is so? Because in this case also you see that you are not fixing this as 3. There is one more possibility that that number can be same, no? You should not exceed, but that can be same. Is that okay? So there are actually 4 cases. Is that clear, everyone? We have taken all the cases. Even in the last case was, it was in the number in the range of 20s. It was not in the range of 30 also. But if I go in the 30, that is 543, 1 is not a possibility, but 5432 is a possibility. So there is one more case is remaining here. That is plus 1. Do you see? So answer will be this plus 1. That is 229. You see, everyone? Just go through with this once again and you will get that. Is it okay? Good. Okay, then I'll stop now.